Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Visa gift card is activated and noting the exact balance and CVV. This prevents mid-checkout surprises. Sign into your Apple ID on the iPhone or iPad, then open Settings and go to Payment and Shipping so you can add a card. Once there, choose Add Payment Method and be ready to enter the card number, expiration, and billing address. Make sure the address matches the one you'll use for verification to avoid declines. Now enter the card details precisely: number, expiration, CVV, and billing address. If the App Store rejects the Visa gift card as a direct payment, redeem the card first in the App Store by tapping your profile Redeem Gift Card or code. This converts value into Apple ID balance. Once redeemed, purchases will draw from that balance automatically, which is simpler and avoids international or verification blocks. Make sure to finish by choosing the Apple ID balance or added Visa card at checkout, then confirm the purchase. If the balance is insufficient, Apple will prompt for an additional payment method. Add a secondary card to cover the difference or top up the Apple ID balance. If a payment is declined, double-check activation, exact billing address, and CVV, then contact the card issuer. As a quick tip, try redeeming the card on a desktop app store or using a different address format if you see repeated verification errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.